welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are these aqua shell rondelle small. There's green and 3 blues. You'll be needing a head pin, an earring hook, and I have 3 of these aqua 8x12 teardrop. The tools I'm going to be using are a flash cutter in case I need to cut any excess, a chain nose plier, you could also use a bend nose plier, and a round nose plier. First, we're going to start off by first putting our blue shell beads Next, we're going to put our 3 teardrops. They're going to be facing like this one. So first I'm going to put it in and then I'm going to face it to the sides. Like that. Next, I'm going to add my green shell beads. We are going to bend it 90 degrees to start making our loop. We're going to take our flash cutter just to cut a little bit. Leave about a ½ centimeter. Next, I'm going to take my round nose pliers and start bending it. Next, we're going to open it like a jump ring to add our earring hook with our chain nose pliers. Close it just how you opened it. And there you have your 2 earrings. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on videos we could do on this channel, like beading and crafts, and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!